everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an item to bundle on Poshmark. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Open up a web browser to get started and into the URL box type in poshmark.com and press enter. Also make sure to log into your account if you're not logged in already, and once you're logged into the main home page, browse for an item you'd like to add to bundle from the list at the top, and once you find the product, give it a click. This will now open up the preview for the product that you've chosen. All the details and description for the product will be displayed on this page. To add the product to bundle, click on this Add to Bundle option at the lower right, and soon after you've done that, you have successfully added the item to your bundle. To view the items on bundle, click on this My Bundles icon at the top right, and you'll be displayed with all of the items that you've added on the list. To add more items, you can repeat the step. So that's how you can easily add to bundle on Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.